Hey guys, so I'm back with a vlog today. I have some really sad news to share. I don't even know what happened, okay? Like, let's just start by saying I don't even know what to say because I don't know what happened. So if you saw my what I got for Christmas video, I got a new Celine trio for Christmas. And I went to wear it the other day for the first time, and everything was great. I walked from my front door to my car, got in my car, I drove to the store. When I parked at the store, I went to grab my bag, and this is what I saw. So I have no words. I have no explanation. I don't know when this happened, how it happened. I was worried there was something on my car, like in my car on the seat. Thought there was something maybe on my coat. No. So I don't know how this happened. And the bag, guys, the bag looks ruined. Like, it doesn't look like it can be cleaned. So I have my own, like, leather cleaning stuff because I condition, take care of my stuff. Like, I've never ruined a bag. I've never been I'm not careless with my things. So when I got back home, I assessed the situation, and there was no wiping it off. No, I needed to call for professional help. So I called Celine and I spoke with a sales associate at the store, and I said, explain what happened. I explained it was brand new. This bag was purchased directly from Celine though. So I think that's on my side. It wasn't purchased from a reseller or, a department store or, online. It was purchased from Celine directly. So, they told me to bring the bag in and they would have to send it away. Honestly, the person I'm speaking to doesn't have any clue what it looks like. She's just explaining, well, this is what you'll do. You just bring it in, we'll have a look at it, we'll send it out. So I had to stop everything I had plans for today to take care of this because I just wanted to get it sent out and get it taken care of. So I don't want to spend I'm so upset, guys. I don't want to spend too much time intro, whatever. After I have to drive, so I'm going to the Celine Boutique in Soho, and I'm going to drop off the bag. Let me just get there, handle that, and I will update you guys on what, the result, what they told me once I leave. Obviously, it's early afternoon, but it's already looking dark and gloomy outside. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to vlog a lot while I'm out, because if it's dark, you're not going to be able to see what's going on. But I'm just going to leave and get there and deal with it. I'm going to go show you guys a clip of what the bag looks like though, up close, because I just, put the picture in. But let me show you the bag and then I'll head out and I'll see you later. This is what the bag is looking like. I have no idea what these stains even are, and there appears to be a scuff here too. Yeah, so that's what it's looking like. Let's just all hope they can fix this. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, but there's the damage. let me just update you on what happened at Celine. It's later in the evening now. I'm back home, obviously. So I go into Celine and I speak with a sales associate, and what they tell me is they look at it. He did not seem as horrified, the sales associate who helped me, as I anticipated. Whoever would help me, once they saw the bag, they would be like, oh, he didn't seem that horrified. So maybe that's a good sign. But he was like, listen, we'll send it away. He had to speak to his repair manager or something. So he took the bag to speak with someone, and they looked up my profile, you know, got all my information, and they told me they were sending it away to their cleaning service. So that's different than repair. So I clarified. I said, shouldn't it go for repair just in case, you know, it can't be just white cleaned off, like cleaned? And they said, like, that's where we'll start. You know, they will kind of see, they can, he said, you'll believe it or not, they can like work miracles. So hopefully they can get it clean. And he said they would basically be calling him with an update, and then he'd reach out to me with an update. So now, and this process can take anywhere from between 8 to 12 weeks. So at least 2 months before I have the bag back, and hopefully I'll at least know if they can fix it sooner. But that was upsetting. One thing that I will say is a plus, they told me there shouldn't be any charge for the cleaning. So if it is just the cleaning and they're able to clean it and fix it, then there won't be a charge. So let's just hope, let's just all hope, please, that they can fix my bag, save it. Like, I've never had a bag ruined, let alone be a total waste. Like, literally just took the tags off that same day. So I took advantage while I was in the city. I went to a Louis Vuitton Soho, and I picked up the giveaway prize. I'm not sure. I think by the time this video goes up, I would have already announced the giveaway winner, but this is the giveaway prize. It's the Louis Vuitton key pouch in the monogram. It's made in France. I was able to pick it up. I knew that while I was in the city, my best bet to get that, because the key pouches, the Louis Vuitton key clays, have been sold out online forever. And the best way to get them is to go into store. But certain stores, like in the city, they would have these pieces. So he was like, yeah, once we put them out, they last about an hour and they're gone. So happy I got that for my giveaway winner. Excited about that, and I'm glad I was able to get that done. You know, make it more productive. It was like, why am I here? I was so annoyed. But that's it. I did a little bit of browsing, like the sales. Like, honestly, it was slim pickings. Louis Vuitton was like the only place that had like stuff. I went into Aritzia. They didn't have anything I was looking for in there. I went into All Saints, bare bones in there. To Mango, they didn't, like, all the good stuff was gone. I wasn't even bothering with Zara because it was like that line was ridiculous. I went to Byredo. I did get, but they were also bare bones. They didn't have a lot of things either, and they weren't even having a sale. They just were like, oh, because of the holidays, we're cleaned out pretty much. So I always like to pop into Byredo. It's like one of my favorite little shops. So I got this mini candle, the Bohemia candle. It's a mini version because this was probably such a waste because of how small it is. They didn't have the full size. So I should have just been like, well, I'll wait. But I bought the mini one. So I have a mini Bohemia candle because I'm out of the full size. And then I bought this rinse-free hand wash, which is pretty much like a hand sanitizer that's a little bit of a moisturizer too. I like the texture of it, so this will just go in my handbag. That's it. That's all I got from Byredo. Like a mini candle. This was a nice little treat, I think, because hand sanitizers are necessary and moisturizing. Like my hands, my poor hands. I think I showed you guys a little clip of my video, but I'm just wearing like a shirt dress. It was a pretty decent day today. It was like in the mid 50s, so You know, I feel like certain things happen and it doesn't even shock you anymore. It's just like, huh, we're still here. That's it for today's video, guys. Let's just all hope that my Celine can be saved. I can't believe that happened. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for... That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. As always, if you have any questions, comments, let me know below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.